This video tutorial is going to show you how to download and install Google Chrome on a Windows device such as a desktop or a laptop. So I'm going to start out here and I'm going to make sure that Google Chrome is not already installed on this machine. Sometimes applications are installed but they don't show up on your desktop. You can look for any application on your computer by going down to the search bar in the lower left. So I'm going to type Chrome. And you can see here that I do not have Chrome on my computer. So next I'm going to change Chrome and instead type in Internet. This will show me the web browsers that are already installed on the machine. If you only have Internet Explorer, that is fine. However, if you have Microsoft Edge, it's a much more modern browser and easier to work with, so we'd recommend Microsoft Edge. You can go ahead and click Open, and that will open Microsoft Edge. So next we are going to type into the URL bar google.com/Chrome and hit Enter. You can also do a quick search for Google Chrome download. And we come right here and we see we have the option to download Chrome. I'm going to click that button. And you'll see over here on the bottom left side of my screen that Google Chrome has been downloaded. Now you can click the Open File button down here to open the file and launch it, or if you don't see it there for some reason, you can also click on the File Explorer down at the bottom of the screen. Looks like a manila folder. Open that up. On the left side under Quick Access, you should see Downloads. And you can see that the Chrome setup was downloaded, and you can double click on this to launch it. You won't see it on my screen, but you will probably get a pop-up window that says, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? And you want to click Yes. The launcher will then start, and you'll see it progressing through. Once the installer is done installing Chrome, it will automatically start Chrome. Now, since our students already have Google accounts through the school district, instead of clicking Get Started, we are going to click Already a Chrome User, Sign In. Here's where the students will need to sign in with their school login information. This will be their 9-digit student ID at nsd42.net. I'm using a demo account, which is slightly different, but it's still going to be at nsd42.net. Then you want to click Next or hit Enter. The password is generally going to be the student's birthday in the format of the day, the number of the day, of the date they were born, followed by the 3-letter month with a capital starting the month, and the 4 digits of their year. So for example, if someone's birthday were today, it would be 18, capital N, lowercase o, lowercase v, 2020 would be their password. Once you enter that, you can click Next or hit Enter. Okay, and you'll get this option to link your Chrome data to this account. This is a managed account. It's managed by the district, and you do want to link your data. So click Link Data. And then turning on sync makes it easier when you're on different devices to see all of your bookmarks, your history, different things like that. So we recommend saying, yes, I'm in, and syncing data. Now you can see in the top right-hand corner, this demo account is now signed in to the web browser. We are signed into Google Chrome. I'm also going to set it as the default. Since students are going to be using Google Chrome for all of their work, it's convenient to set it as the default. So whenever they click on links, they open in Google Chrome. So I'm going to click Set as Default, and this will open up the default apps setting on the computer. If you do not see the screen, you can also go down to the bottom left in the search bar and type in default apps and click on the system settings. The default app settings will then appear. You want to scroll down until you see web browser, and I'm going to click on Microsoft Edge and instead select Google Chrome. I'm going to switch anyway. And now Google Chrome is my default web browser, and I can close out of this settings window. Now you can see here that we are signed into the Google Chrome browser, and because this is a Google site, we are also signed into the Google site. You have now successfully installed Google Chrome.